Thank you for your interest in the GONEO Power Track socket. First of all, these are items you should receive in your product box. In fact, our Power Track is very easy to install. Determine how you want to position the Power Track. For example, this is the wall outlet you wish to replace with our GONEO Power Track. You can install it at the left end, or in the middle, or all the way at the end. Any position along the track, depending on your needs. Now let me walk you through the installation process of the left end position, which is also the most common way to install the Power Track. First, for your safety, please switch off the circuit breaker of the place you wish to install the product. Take off the plate of the wall outlet you wish to replace with our Power Track. Remove all coverings until the 3 wires are exposed. Now insert the back mounting bracket into the cutouts of the cardboard piece. Take the cardboard piece to estimate the position of the product. Use a marker or pencil to mark out the position of the screws. Use an appropriate tool to drill holes depending on the material of your wall. Next, push in these plastic anchors and secure it with a small hammer. Now use the screws to fasten the mounting brackets into position. Unscrew the wire cover plates of the Power Track. Please remove the plastic piece in this location. Loosen the 3 grooves in the wiring box. Please ensure that you have switched off your circuit breaker at your working area to avoid electric shock. Identify your lifeline, earth line, and neutral line from the wall and insert the wires. We have labeled the wiring box accordingly. Be careful, if you are unable to distinguish the power lines, please use professional tools to test the wires, or look for a professional electrician to complete the installation process. Tighten the screws to secure all your power lines. Now you can snap back the back plate and fasten the screws. Lastly, simply snap the Power Track into the mounting brackets. We have included 2 stickers in different languages. Most of your homes should have 2.55 square millimeter wiring, while in some cases you might have 6 mm wirings. They offer different maximum power loads on your track. So select the correct sticker and stick it onto your Power Track. Adapters are really simple to use. Simply insert it into the track and twist it to turn on. The indication light will light up when power is on. Twist and turn off the power. Hold the little button on the side and pull the adapter unit out of the track. As mentioned previously, you may also install the product at any location along the track. However, you may need extra wiring in this case. We highly recommend that you hire a professional electrician to complete the extra wiring if required. All steps are similar except that wires go through a different hole when connecting the wires to the Power Track as shown in our video. Now insert the extra wiring at the back of the Power Track and snap it into the brackets you have previously fixed. We hope that you enjoy your new Power Track. For more information, please visit our official website and feel free to send us emails if you have any questions regarding our GONEO Power Track socket. Thank you.